preach the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sand is in my veins.
Thank you, Sam.
Come right, O camel,
Appreciate you, buddy.
today.
You're the fucking man. Maybe I can talk. This isn't so bad. I have my Invisalign in. So I have a piece of plastic that's like over my teeth that is against my lips. So it's not like the stitches in the wound just going against my teeth. Instead, it's against a piece of really smooth I might be able to do this. I might just have a slur from my retainers. This isn't as bad as talking with it out. Because like when I have my Invisalign out, I might have to check that. This isn't so bad. I think I can actually do this. If it starts hurting, I'll turn it back on, but for now, this feels okay. So, I wear Invisalign, and when you get Invisalign, they put like these little like buttons. They're not buttons. They're like, I don't know what to call them. They put these little hook buttony things on the front of your teeth, and that's what like when you put the retainer on, it like hooks onto or gets attached to. And when I have that out and I talk, one of the like little button hook things is like right in front of where the stitches are. So it's just like this little piece of like tooth material just grinding against the wound. And that hurts, but talking with my Invisalign in does okay. But I'm gonna have a bit of a slur because of it. Yeah, I might talk bits and pieces, but I probably will still. It's weird, especially because this part of my lip is still numb. So I might still just mute and come. I don't stream my day job at Vercel now. Unfortunately, I don't work on very much open source at Vercel. This right here is a client project, a freelance project. I'm building an app for a financial advisor coach. So he'll run his coaching program through this, and eventually it will become multi-tenant, so other advisors can run their coaching program through it as well. Let's see here. Oh, dude, you should have heard my old keyboard. My old keyboard was so much better sounding. Let me grab that quick. Let me see if this is on. Okay, yeah, I think I can talk. I think I'm okay. I'm going to turn off this banner for now. And if it starts bothering me, we'll turn it back on. This was the keyboard I started streaming with, and oh my god, it sounds, it's so good. Let me see if I can lay it down. Yeah, I miss this keyboard. These are Glorious Pandas. And then I have painter's tape and foam inside of it. And then the keyboard I use now is a ZSA Voyager. And I have chalk whites in it. Yeah. But the day that Keychron made a split keyboard, I would potentially change. I love this keyboard so much. All right. So let's get into this a bit here. We are working on changing the onboarding flow. Oh my God, Nix is still building? Good God. Why? Oh, nice. ErgoDocs. I was using I originally bought the, not the Voyager, the Moonlander, and it was causing me pain. And the CEO from ZSA reached out and, he worked with me personally. He sent me videos, he followed up, and then we swapped out a Moonlander for the Voyager, and it was instantly better. I have not, well, no, I haven't done an exact user interview, but I've been on a Zoom call with the CEO twice. So maybe they count that. I don't know. He's a great dude, though. Like, ZSA is one of the most customer centric companies in the world or that I've purchased something from. And like, I don't shill a lot of companies, but ZSA is one of them. Tim Master 5 said, I am a front end developer with 30 years of professional experience. I'm having a problem that probably you can help with. I, of course, code for a living, but at the end of the day, I wanted to work on some personal projects. Yeah, I actually do have a recommendation, Tim or Ty, and it's unfortunately probably not one you're gonna want to hear, but waking up early and doing side projects and learning in the morning before work is the life hack. I was never a morning person until I turned 30, and then I started getting up at like 6:30 for some random reason, and what they say is true. Getting up early is a life hack. I get 3 hours to stream and work on the things I want to work on. I have the most energy. I'm the most happy in the morning once I'm awake and have some, bean juice. Oh no, Sam, you can totally send links. And you can also request music on Spotify if you go down to the bits thing. And hell yeah. Let me move this over. Y'all, if you don't follow Sam on all of the platforms, chat, you are missing out. My name is Sam. I'm the lead engineer for the API team at Nebula. I lead a small team of 4 people, and together we build all the backend systems that power Nebula. I've worked backend system my entire life. I'm not going to read this because it's a lot from my mouth here. Oh my God, that's beautiful. That's such a beautiful setup. I love your freaking keycap colors. Dude, your office is beautiful. This is cool. I've never been able to stick with. I need to switch to Exa. That is like actually on my to-do list. Like if I opened up my freaking notes to-do list, installing Exa to my Nix config is on there. Ooh. Oh my God. I need this. I work on DNS all day long. Send that to myself on Slack. I'm gonna go to me. Exa is abandoned as a Sam, what is your blog link? I want to shout you out here because everyone should be. I found it. All right, chat. Sam is one of the most talented. Yeah, okay, so you just linked it. I'm going to pin this. Sam is one of the best technical writers and illustrators to do it, period. And you will be a better developer and programmer for having read his stuff. Yeah, no problem, dude. Happy to raid anytime. If there's overlap and you're on, there's almost 100% chance that I'm going to raid you. Oh, by the way, how was your chat with Leandro? It was great. Dude, I knew you guys would get along. Like, there are so many similarities in the two of you. We are not going to listen to Zach Bryan. In fact, let's just listen to my DJ. Get some more high energy music going. What up, Suyash? All right, let's see here. What's my font at? We should bump up. All right, we're at 24. Good. Let's get the dev server running. Bun run dev. All right, that should be good. We should be able to refresh over here. Okay, there is a bug I kind of want to fix real quick. I don't remember what we were doing on Monday morning before I stopped. There's a bug when I click clients. In fact, yeah, the site, oh yeah, this would make sense that it's trying to navigate to those. It's trying to go to the coach view, and the admin doesn't have access to that, so that's going to be in our breadcrumbs. Sidebar data. I need to come up with a better way to handle this. All right. Good morning, y'all. Guys, I'm still on internet. I would like your opinion. I'm going to need to set up a game using WebSocket. Do the amount of input and output. TS would be more TS as opposed to what? Koyo, are you talking about using TypeScript on the front end or like TS and Node on the back end, or what do you Oh yeah, dude. Koi, I would just default to TypeScript for everything. I would never use JS over TypeScript, especially now that we have like Bun and Deno. Like they take the pain out of getting set up and running. When do you show us your hair again? I mean, I don't know. Some point. And by the way, chat, for everyone that wasn't here earlier, I had oral surgery yesterday and I have stitches in my mouth right now and my part of my lip is still numb and I have some pain. And on top of that, I have my Invisalign retainers in because it helps with my teeth running against the stitches. So not only might I be talking less, but I will have a slur because of the Invisalign retainers. And yeah, just a heads up. Well, there my stream elements actually worked. I'm actually able to talk more than I thought I would be. I was planning on doing a silent stream, but then I started talking and it wasn't as bad as I thought. And you might see me like, as I'm drinking, you might see coffee or Gatorade leak out of my mouth. So just, you know, you can make fun of me. I get it. Here, let me pop my chat out here. At work we've used, hold on, I got too far. Yeah, TypeScript doesn't have any impact at runtime, as John said, Koyo. Would you use Gleam over TypeScript? I would probably rather write Gleam than TypeScript for sure. I love Gleam. At work, we've used TS on the back end for ages, but we're starting the process of migrating our Svelte code to TS. Yeah, all my Svelte in here is TypeScript. I'm also using Svelte 5. I started using the RC on this project in August, and I've really, really liked it. I think they did, Rich and the team did a fantastic job on Svelte 5. I would 100% use Gleam over TypeScript if I had the choice. Gleam has a better type system. It is a beautiful language. It is a simple language. Component type is, I thought, is it just component? I read something about component, this deprecation thing. I thought it was supposed to just be type. I don't know. I'm not worried about that. Let's see if we fix this though. This is wrong. Admin, or possibly the breadcrumbs are wrong. I'm skipping this. This song is not at Kraut. I'm sorry. Nice. I have the okay to stream things that are open source. I just don't, unfortunately, get a ton of open source stuff in domains. I've done some Vercel CLI work on stream, and some like random SDK client stuff for our domain registry provider, but I'm actually more productive generally when I stream. Dude, yeah, I think there was a bug with either OBS or Twitch the other day where it kept going live over and over and over again, and I could not get it to stop. I eventually fixed it by actually going live and then stopping. There we go. That's what we wanted. I thought it was like this too. I was pretty quiet and realized when I trained myself to just, yep. I agree with Sam. I didn't think I'd be very good at streaming. I didn't think I had a good personality for it. I didn't think I'd have a lot to say. And it's actually made me a much better at interviewing and pair programming at work. Like my last interview round was way easier than it's ever been because I'm so used to just like speaking my thoughts as I go, because I do it 3 hours basically Monday through Friday. So the streaming has been honestly the most beneficial thing I've done for like my professional career over the past year and a half, other than maybe learning OCaml and Gleam. But I wouldn't have learned OCaml and Gleam without streaming either. So I'm more productive when I stream generally. On the average case, Suyash, I'm more productive when I stream because like I'm not getting distracted by everything else and I'm just focused on like a technical task at hand. And yeah, I might get distracted and talk to chat or read a link or something, but that's better than getting my attention grabbed by some random thread in Slack that doesn't matter, or going to Twitter and scrolling for 10 minutes. Everyone except Kraut makes it easier. All right. I need to go to a coach account now, which I forget which. We have a coach. Which one is it? Lieutenant Dan? Great. Hopefully this password is just foobar. There we go. Is this broken? Okay, that works. That works. That was weird. AE. What's your user ID? AE. Assessment. Answer. Where user. Oh, that's. That's sus. I wonder if this is broken entirely. If I go to like, okay, no, that looks better. I do want to change that green number to be white though. So let's do that quick. Okay. Okay. So the next thing we have to do is I got better requirements and a better understanding of how the onboarding assessment works. So for everyone to just see here, when you sign up, the current onboarding flow, we're just going to do bar, Baz, and we'll do 666, 777, 8888, at, oh my god, where's my at symbol? There we go. Plus, what is today's date? 11/20, and we'll just say 1@gmail.com. And this will be foobar, create account. So we go through this onboarding flow, and my misunderstanding was that when somebody signs up for this, they would already have paid and been a client, but that's not true. So they go through this like assessment, right? And we do all this, I don't know why this is so laggy in dev. Something's happening in dev that makes this laggy, but it doesn't happen in prod. So they go through this survey and blah, 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 right? And what needs to happen is, I should bump that up to be not horizontal or vertically centered. Let's just go verify our email, assuming that worked. Did I get it? I might have the fly job down. Job processor is running. Session is I have Invisalign in, so I have a slur here. It's session based. So that didn't pick it up for some reason. Did it get saved to the database? So we still have these down here. Our process didn't get picked up. I'm betting this is because it's connecting to, these will get hit by the stale job. The janitor will pick these up and do them next time it runs. It doesn't matter. I'm guessing I'm accidentally connecting to the pooled connection for the PG notify, because it feels like that problem. All right, I need to blur my screen. Quick chat.
Functions describe the world.
That looks right. So in the room, yeah, you know it's me. So my environment variables look right. I'm wondering if they're synced. Says they're in sync. Let's do a redeploy on the job queue. Don't tell him, he's gonna send some more cursed Russian music. The font I'm using here is not Operator, it is Mona Lisa. I love Mona Lisa. It's become my favorite font over the past year. At one point we had the designer and creator of Mona Lisa hanging out in chat periodically. Super talented people. Better be a 10. I got baited by the script lowercase f. I was using Dank Mono before Mono Lisa. I used Dank Mono from like 2017 to early this year. Do you know Phil, Sam, by chance? Phil, I don't know how to say his last name. I'm gonna butcher it. Plukthun. I followed Phil for years. I used to work with Phil. I worked with Phil at Formidable. He is like one of those devs that like, he's almost like Leandro, just so talented and so kind. Like, I wish I would have gotten to work with him more closely. Phil, Caddy Cramen, like all the Formidable people from London were amazing, or the UK. I don't know if Phil's in London or not, but yeah, Phil's awesome. All right, so this should definitely have the right DB URL now. Actually, we can check this too to make sure I didn't do something stupid and change environment variables around. It's gonna be in Postgres. Let's see here. There should be a config in here. Database URL, that's what we want. I have absolutely no problem paying for things like fonts, especially because I look at it for 8 to 14 hours a day, and I also just enjoy supporting creators. I like paying for things I use. That's why I support people on GitHub too. Okay, it looks like we're using all the right environment variables here, so I don't know why this would be problematic. So it looks like, did we pick it up? So it doesn't even look like we picked it up unless the janitor got it beforehand. All right, what the hell has happened, chat? Oh, these got completed. Why did I not get an email? Did it go to my spam? Shit. It did go to spam. There's my onboarding. This is fine. Verify email. Copy that. And let's just go back. It's probably expired at this point. There we go. Okay. So the thing I misunderstood about the onboarding flow here is that at this point, the customer or the client shouldn't get kicked to the dashboard because they're not a paying client yet. We need to add the initial upload of their metrics to the onboarding flow, and then essentially what needs to happen is they'll upload their initial file, right? So like this thing here, upload that. I forgot we added that toaster. That's kind of nice. We should also invalidate this data here. So that comes over immediately. Although, why are we having so many problems this morning? That didn't even complete add a job. Let's come over here. I'm guessing there was a server error. Files were successfully uploaded. All right, see you, Sam. Thanks for hanging out, man. Good seeing you. Oh, interesting. That could be it. Why? Why are we in like Spanish music right now? This actually isn't uploading. What did we break here? I don't even think we touched this flow recently. I wonder. So we got here. But I don't see the actual upload. And I don't, it looks like this transaction is failing. Are we not awaiting this promise correctly? That feels like what's happening because we never see this success log. So it feels like this promise report ID. What is the result? Okay. If not result. Okay. Ah, there is errors. Fuck. My lips starting to hurt a little bit, chat, so I'm gonna probably start talking a little bit less. What's up, Mr. Wizard? New row violates row level security policy. Look at that. Okay, that makes sense. I don't remember setting up policies on this. I was gonna do it last night, Jason, and then I got like a really bad headache, I think from some of the like anesthesia drugs finally completely wearing off last night. I was just like, I can't even look at a screen right now. I mean, we could do that on stream. If I get through fixing this onboarding flow, we'll switch to Tokyo night. I also came up with an idea last night on how to migrate my T-Mux theme to Tokyo night without hopefully breaking things. I don't know where RLS is. If I turn that off, I can turn off RLS. Which means I can go over to here. Where's RLS at? Policies. schema, storage. I did turn these all on the other day. As long as I have the data API turned off, which I don't use at all for the database, I just use a straight up connection, it should be fine. What the fuck is no index tag and where is it set? I don't, what is it like, set the, is it plus all? I have no idea. I'm not an expert at DNS stuff yet. I would just ask ChatGPT, to be honest. All right, let's see if turning that all off worked, and we can just enable table by table RLS again and see if that fixes the problem. So let's go ahead and try to upload this again. This is gonna reset here. Why? What up, backup? All right, I have RLS off on all of my tables. I can't touch any of these. Why would this suddenly change? Although it looks like 5, 11, 15, 11, 12. This is all old stuff. Let's delete this. I wish I had a bulk delete. We're not going to keep that on, but just to see if that fixes the problem. Okay, well that didn't help at all. Oh, the new Linkin Park song slaps that came out the other day. I'm gonna play that. All right, let me quit out of this environment variable file and see if that changes anything. I was hitting the direct connection instead of the pooler. I don't know if that would have an impact or not. Oh God, I can't like crack my neck from my jaw. All right, Z front. What up, Dr. Fuss? It's disabled. Yeah, that's what I figured. So this single came out 2 days ago. TypeScript is insane. That's not true, Dr. Fuss. This is true. Double equal does type coercion. Triple equal is strict. Most projects have a lint rule set up to basically never allow double equal. Smart bad cop. Smart. Remix does. Remix makes heavy use of, actually, I'm not sure if it's, no, it's Parcel. Is it Parcel that added the macro system? One of the build tools added macros, and I know Pedro Katori on the Remix team has used them quite a bit. All right, so we have not fixed anything. This is excellent. So let's go look at our code here. Where do we end up? The crazy thing is none of this changed. This is stupid. I don't know what I changed. Kraut. What are we listening to? Did you double Q this? Did you triple Q the same song? We just listened to this. What's going on with my Q? There we go. What up, Travi? Oh no, that's not what we want. Oh shit, chat. I just wrecked myself. Oh, I just wrecked myself. Shouldn't have clicked that. Okay, well, that was silly and stupid. Well, we're gonna go ahead and try to set up Tokyo Night. I just got wrecked by myself. All right. So let's start with my ghosty config. I believe there is, it's the dumbest thing. That's like probably in like the top, honestly, probably the top 10 dumbest things. I've done a lot of dumb things on stream, but that's definitely up there as one of the dumber things I've clicked and done on stream. What am I looking for? I'm looking for ghosty. I want to find the themes. Where are the themes at in here? Feels like it should be in here, right? Yeah. All right, so we have Tokyo Night. All right, we should go figure out which version of Tokyo Night I want. Tokyo Night. Wait, how do I look at the themes? Is there like yeah, I know. I have no idea what that private key is. Why did that just open a private key? We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. No idea what that private key was. That's very good. Tokyo Night theme. I just want like the official Tokyo Night. Ghosty plus, okay. Ghosty, I don't think I have the Ghosty binary. Why would I not have the Ghosty binary? Do you build it yourself, Wizard? Or is it like / app or / applications / ghosty .app / ghosty -- or plus list themes? Is that how this is gonna work? Nice. Sorry if anyone has you know, I don't know what the name of the disease is that causes seizures. Hopefully 6412 isn't around. Epilepsy, yes. Can I search? No, I can't. All right, guys, just like close your eyes for it here. I have an idea. We'll do this. That's not much better looking at the screen, but you know, we're gonna deal with it. We're almost there. Here we go. All right, here's regular Tokyo Night. That looks decent. I think we're gonna do Tokyo Night Storm. Storm looks pretty nice. Wait, what is worse? Oh, the octagons. I see what you're saying. Do we like this or do we like this? I kind of like Storm. There's also Rose Pine, which I like. On my screen, the background here almost looks like brown. Like something about the text isn't super vibrant on my screen for this one. It looks like muted. There's also Rose Pine, which I like. I passed it. Is Rose Pine even in here? Like Rose Pine looks pretty nice. That's true, I could override the background. I kind of like Rose Pine Moon. Rose Pine Moon looks pretty nice. All right. Let's go with Rose Pine Moon. Go to ghosty config. This will be Rose Pine Moon. We'll save that. And we need to go find Rose Pine Moon for NeoVim. Rose Pine NVim. This should have decent support. Yeah, we have Rose Pine Moon. So how do we install this? Okay, let's go to our NVim config, Lua plugins, color scheme. All right. Kraut, what the? This is not the vibes. And then, how does as work? Oh, I copied the wrong one. LOL. And we're gonna copy some of the settings up here. We want lazy false. And those. We'll say this is gonna be enabled is going to be false. And then we'll come down here and we'll say it's the loneliest day of my life. And we need a config function. Yeah. And it's going to equal function. Does that get brackets? I never remember. No, it doesn't. Such a lonely day. Do this. Day of my life. I wanna die with you. Like Kraut Cook. Letting Kraut cook is a dangerous game, chat. Do not let him deceive you. Now the real question is, like, is it going to automatically integrate with all these things? Because Capuchine's nice in that, like, it like automatically styles like all the things. I don't know, let's try. I don't use lazy nvim. Or what do you mean by this? What up, Kayav? How we doing? Damn. We have coffee left. I still drip water out the right side of my mouth. Lazy is what I use, but like I don't use the distribution. I'm doing well. Minus I had surgery in my mouth yesterday, so I have stitches in. It hurts a bit. Oh, this is good. Very good. Okay, so we have some stuff going on here. I do like this. I do like the theme in general. And Vim. Thank you. So really, I think what we're gonna have to do is go in here. Ooh, I like these colors a lot. Let's look for cat puckin'. Change into config, and then and now we can get a better. Yeah, I get it. Cat Puccine. So wilder. Oh god. I'm gonna add that one. I'm gonna add you, and you. Start there. Dependencies is Capucine. Okay. I don't have my color palettes. So let's just do that. All right, so Lualine has a native theme integration. So let's see if we can find a Lualine. Yeah, I might just make a little palette file that I can do the same thing with if it doesn't look good out the bat. Theme auto, give me a list of available themes. I would be surprised if Rosepine wasn't in here. Oh, Rosepine's not in here. Great. Capuchin apparently isn't even here. So I think what I was doing was not even valid. Okay, so that can just be auto, because that was never valid in the first place. Oh, why did I do that? Next, Spectre. We'll see what Spectre looks like in a second. And we can probably do the same thing here if that doesn't look good. What is this? I don't know. It works, so I'm not going to touch this. I'm updating themes, my theme. So I was getting an error message when I started up. So watch this, Kraut. When I do Vim, I get this error message because Mini Endoscope could not find. I disabled that one plugin. In fact, when I reopen Ghosty, I gotta blur that. Okay, that worked. This is looking decent. I like this. I like it. Chat, I like it. We want to look at Spectre. Config. This looks fine. All right, I'm going to do what Jason said, and I'm going to... what up, Dead Robot? Rose Pine Moon. Does that copy it? Turn this into a Lua table to use for theming. Use the hex code values. Is that really all of them? Okay. Where do I want to put this? We'll put in this. We'll put in Rose Pine Moon palette How do you spell fucking palette? PALETT.lua. Paste that in. What is it? It's like local M. And then we can say m.palette. And do we export M? How do we export? I think, is it like Go where capitals are exported? Palette, that's a typo. Unused local M. What? Do I not use that in here? There's gotta be something somewhere. Utils, M. We return M. Return M. All right, I got that. All right, so this is looking decent, and I want to go and style some other things here yet. So let's go back into Spectre, and I want to do, let's open my Rose Pine Moon Paletter. Good Lord. What up, Nightshade? So in here, we want to go and get I don't even know what the way to path to this is anymore. Users / rosepine moonpalette.lua. Okay. And then we'll delete this line, go here. Search, do we have a red? I don't know what I need to, I should get a plugin that shows me CSS grids or squares. All right, where was that link? Rosepine palette. So we'll use love. So it'll be love. And base. Foreground is base. Do we have a base? We do have a base. And then green is probably going to be foam. And then we'll unhighlight that. And then I guess we can, this fixed something. This stopped, that fixed using the not GNU sed. For whatever stupid reason, Mac overrides or takes an opinionated stance on sed, and it's really annoying. And it's not compatible with GNU sed. All right, what were the other places that we were in? Fidget, right? Or no, not Fidget. It was Wilder, which is my down here. So we can do the same thing, right? We can come yoink this and go here, put that in, delete that line. This will be you. What colors did we make this? It's text. I don't know if I have a text. Oh, I do have a text. This will be theme dot. What color is mouth? Mouth is like purple, right? So this should be iris. something like this. And then we have to unhighlight that. God, the ghosty theme is now Spectre, nvim notify, and indent scope. Yeah, let's go to indent scope next. This isn't the right one. Mini indent scope. Not Irish. All right, there's that. What are our other things we changed? nvim notify. Was it vim notify? That seems fine. I don't like the background, so we're going to come in here and update some of these. So these must be red. So this should be theme.love. Info is going to be blue. So what is the blue? We'll do pine. I don't know if this is going to work. Will this interpolate the values here? Do I have to do anything to interpolate the values? Okay, you guys just sent me links to give me plugins. My lip is hurting. Numbness is almost gone though. That's good. But it's getting fucking sore. Okay. What is happening here? Oh, it's not a link. LOL. What does nvim colorizer do? It shows hex colors. All right, let's go ahead. We're just gonna yeet here. Let me finish doing this here. I have a suspicion this isn't going to work, but maybe it will. I don't know. And then worn is going to be, what is my worn color in here? We'll do gold. Okay, we'll do this. I don't know if that's interpolated. I'll just say, make sure the theme values are interpolated correctly. Sure. Do we trust AI? Okay, and then we wanted to add colorizer. Ooh, and Vim highlight colors looks nice. And the other one that Wizard linked is and then colorizer. And then colorizer. Is it only for hex codes?
Hey, love. How you feeling?
My lip is hurting. What are you doing?
I was just moving that.
Why?
In case Bodhi launches.
That's fine. It can be there.
Oh, it can be there when he launches?
Yeah.
Okay. If you need anything?
Nope, I'm good.
I'm good. Self-sufficient today?
Winnie's appointment, though.
Winnie has an appointment today?
Yeah.
Well,
Now I'm unmuted.
You are a better cook. Jack can know that. They were here for the rice debacle.
They were here for the rice debacle.
Mm-hmm.
Keeping my Invisalign in helps with talking a lot because
Does it?
the
'Cause
stitches,
it doesn't rub.
it rubs against like a really smooth plastic surface rather than my teeth and the little
Good.
bumps from the hooks for Invisalign.
Good. Yeah, you're talking a lot better today.
Yeah.
Did you make yourself a hot coffee?
Yeah, I did. I can drink hot coffee after the second day.
You weren't supposed to drink hot things until tomorrow.
Well, either way, it's like cold now.
Okay. I have cold coffee in the fridge.
Okay. Can I have a cold coffee?
Yeah, you can have a cold coffee. You want me to make you a cold coffee?
Sure.
Do you want me to use that? Or a different mug?
No, use my charged one. It just wasn't charged.
Why would I use your charged mug for cold coffee?
That's right.
Yeah.
Can you just put it in like a mason jar with ice?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, looks like I can just do. I haven't looked at Twitch chat during this entire time. No. I had a thing called like a mucul. I can't even say it. Mucul cell. It was like I damaged a salivary gland in my lip, and instead of the gland just like normally producing spit, it like like just bubbled up in a little mass that couldn't drain itself. So I had like a chickpea sized like cyst in my lip for like the past month, and I got that cut out. Very fun. Colorizer is going to take NorCal. All right, let's try all these updates. I must say, I am digging Rose Pine so far. Oh, fuck. I need to do one other thing. We gotta go in here, and we gotta go to Colorizer, and then highlight colors, and this is gonna take a config, and that's going to equal function, and in here we got to do require more collie, colorizer dot setup. Or I guess this is just colorizer. Colorizer. And this can be lazy. Doesn't need to do it at startup. Which are any of these lazy? I know I have lazy stuff in here somewhere. Very lazy. All right, let's quit that. Hey, buddy. Good morning, big man. Good morning. You good boy.
Did you hear his burp?
Say, we big snuggled all night. You were like a giant teddy bear for me.
Yeah. He was like, I know Dad's hurting. Let me help.
Good boys.
You're so good, I know.
Oh, fuck. I can't use a straw either, can I?
No, you
God damn it.
can't.
That's so annoying.
That's why I tried filling it kind of lower, just in case.
Yeah, whatever.
Just try not to spill on this hoodie.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go work though.
Will you show my door?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Thanks. Bodhi, chat says good morning.
Love you. Chat only says good morning to Bodhi. No one else? Not Winnie or Baxter?
No, they don't get excited like Bodhi does.
Winnie gets excited. She just doesn't jump because Bodhi bodies her.
Functions describe the world.
Kraut says Guten Morgen, J. Cole.
Thanks. Morning.
Alright, we are going to kill Ghosty and reload, and that should give us Rose Pine in the terminal minus T-Mux.
Do you know it's all pixelated?
What is? Oh. Yeah, it's because I put in my password.
Ah. Good job then. Okay. I'm for real going. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Alright, so the last thing we really have to do, assuming this looks good here, why would it not find that? All right, let's just get out of Tmux. How is Bodhi? His name's not Bodhi. It is Bodhi, like from Point Break. I'm doing pretty well from surgery.
Bodhi's name. Bodhi. He's a little bow. I like that.
Oh, that's okay.
Bodhi is the goat.
Bodhi is now acceptable.
Bodhi, that's really funny. Don't be sorry about that at all. That's iconic. I should. Like he's a sailor and he owns a boat.
I guess I could do something like
They are the same word. Bodhi,
Rose
Bodhi.
Pine Moon Palette. Okay, at least this worked.
I like all the colors.
Yeah, that's what we just added.
It's pretty nice.
Um,
Now I'm really leaving. Sorry. I was like, you're saying the same thing? So I don't know what chat said. Okay, good boy.
so do I just do, is it just gonna be user? And we could change this to palette.
What are you doing? Oh, I did. Alright, Winnie's in with you. Dylan,
What?
Winnie's in with you.
Shiver puppy?
No.
Is it out there on the floor?
No.
I just almost drooled all over myself. I did drool all over myself.
No, she doesn't. It's upstairs. I'm just gonna leave it like this.
See, I knew she was gonna want to go out. I knew it. Go ahead. Go out. You not want to go out? You staying in? 1 second, chat.
Hold on, you want me to throw a puppy down?
Yeah.
Winnie, would you like your puppy?
Yeah, take
She
it.
said, that's mine.
Good girl. You need your font to be patched with nerd fonts, Buffy. That's 100% why, I guarantee it. Alright, we want to look for Rose Pine now. Nice, look at that autocomplete. That's sick. Okay. Let's try running with that. That coffee tastes terrible, chat. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, so the next thing we got to do is I am going to what am I going to do here? I kind of want to change. We need to do tmux next. And I have a very custom tmux theme right now. I have a fork of cappuccino macchiato. Yeah, my stream overlay is, I'm gonna change my stream overlay, and maybe we should just do that this morning. I have a couple things I want to change with it. Is this my fork? I think I could come in here and I could just come into, is it assets? God, I am like fucking. I could add rose pine. In fact, we're gonna go ahead and that is horrible. I don't even have. That's just the default color. That's so bad. GitHub, what are you doing? Can I fork my own fork? I can. Or I should just clone it, right? So let's go to Z personal Vim. Do I have that in here? Cappuccino, no. And then let's go ahead and Vim in. Damn it. Failed to run. Yeah, the interpolation didn't work well. I have other things like my dip viewer is also Cappuccino Wizard. There's about a million things I'm gonna have to update. So we can take this and we're going to say over here to ChatGPT, who already knows about our theme, please update this file to use the Cappuccino hex codes, or the Rose Pine Moon hex codes from above. We're going to copy that. And we're going to paste this. And then it's going to be changed to this. And it's going to be Rose Pine Moon. We're going to do that. We're going to go in there. And then we're going to make it again. Paste that. And this is going to be Rose Pine Moon. What up, Grappling Dev? Thank you for the raid. Shout out. Oh, we already got a shout out. All right, so we have this. And now I think I can go into here. Where do I decide which theme to use? Because we should theoretically Yeah. Cappuccino flavor. How is this set? Okay, we're going to get a little bit hackier here. And we're going to call this old. And this is actually going to become that. And we're going to delete that. Is that the right colors? That feels like it's still cappuccino. I think I just overwrote. Oh yeah, we're styling tmux right now. Yeah, we gotta fix this. Okay, while we're in here, let's fix that's in notify. We're gonna go ahead and just tell use the Lua Vim API for this instead of vim.cmd. Lua Vim highlight APIs. Okay, that should work better. Okay. And what was the other thing we wanted to do? We have to go update in here lib cappuccino tmux. We're gonna bump the version. And then we need to get rid of the revision. And the SHA is gonna become empty. The revision is gonna be this guy. Can I just grab, I want the whole revision, please. Copy full. And this should give me an error. Do I need to cut a release? I'm eventually gonna just refactor this to be more generic for any theme instead of just cappuccino. But this is hacky and it's gonna get it working. So I don't have a release cut. Great, okay. Write quit all, DWB. Actually, we should do a DWC. God, this coffee is so dog water. Ugh. The most annoying part in, I shouldn't say the most annoying part of Nix, but it's such a stupid way to do Nix. All right, chat. I think I'm gonna go dump this coffee out because it is garbage and get an energy drink. So bad. Come in. One money. Back in. What? All right, you want to stay out? That's your choice. That's your choice. Chat, that coffee tasted like a mix of like cigarettes, like tasted like cigarettes and freaking green beans. Pretty disgusting, and it was cold, or it was iced coffee. What up, Init? Thank you for the bits. Not NixOS, but I do use Nix as a package manager. All right, let's quit out of here and quit Ghosty completely, back into Ghosty. All right, and let's go ahead, Tmux. No. All right, we have to figure out why that didn't work. Let's see here. Let's detach, go to Kickstart. I'll make the font bigger. Vim, there's probably some setup in here maybe. Yeah, here it is. All right, so we're going to open a palette, and we're just going to switch these to, we'll say this is going to be this one right here.
Functions describe the world.
Default color is like this darkness, and it's going to be probably this one, highlight low. And this will be this one. And finally, this will be this one. Let's try that. Yeah, I accidentally upgraded my Supabase Postgres, and it's going to take upwards of, what did it say, 30 minutes to an hour and a half or something. So we decided to mess around with my config. Which is just something I've been wanting to do anyway, so. Maybe I just have to do a reload. All right, So we want to change the background. It's almost there. We're almost there, chat. Right? The background is not perfect yet. So let's go to where is this going to be at? It's going to be in config. Let's open a second window. Change up. We want to go to that's that color. Okay, I see. I think I see. I say I see, but we'll let's see. Think we want base for current background. This is the color that's off for sure. There. That's not right. That looks better. And then we can do something that looks a little bit nicer, like this maybe, to go here. Do that. And I want to make that green. I don't know where this green is coming from, so we're going to change that. What was this supposed to be? Window default text color. Huh. Okay. Sure. I mean, we can just grab the actual text color. Thank you, Init. Appreciate you.
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sound is in my
Dang. Thank you
veins.
so much. Thank you,
Don't ride a
thank
camel
you.
with me today.
Truly appreciate you. All right, let's see what this ends up looking like. You know what? I think I might have screwed up. I might have screwed up this. Mocha. We used macchiato. Yeah, this is going to be macchiato old. And in fact, this should be macchiato, not mocha. Macchiato. Yeah, I screwed that up. And that means we have to go over here, and this is going to screw up our Vim or our Nix stuff. You have to delete this again, and it's gonna get real mad. The revision is wrong also. So let's go grab the revision. Nice. Yeah, yep, I've been at Vercel for 8 or 9 months, 10 months. 10 months? Started in February. I work on domains at Vercel. OCaml Lisp? What do you mean by OCaml Lisp? I love OCaml. OCaml is my favorite programming language by a country mile. Okay, we're in tmux, so I gotta blur. There we go. All right, let's quit out Ghosty. Open Ghosty again. Let me make sure I don't have a 10 o'clock meeting. No, I don't. Great. We can go a little bit longer today. All right, come in here, do this. Some of this doesn't seem right still. Like that blue is not correct. And what? It overrode my colors. This is suspicious. One of these did not properly. That was not a color. That was. Right, okay, yeah. I see what that was actually doing. So those two are capital W. Hold on. It's just hashtag W. That's all we need. It's in here. That's hashtag W. And then that folder icon is not the right blue. This should be our. Yeah, I'm rocking the Voyager. I earned a hype chest? What the hell is a hype chest? Because of OCaml and Sabine. I love. Actually, you might dig this. My talk from Fun OCaml Conf got published today. It was really good. I'm really proud of this talk. Let me go to YouTube and then. Oh God, this is bad. We'll go here and we'll go to YouTube. In fact, I'll put it on while I work on this, since we only have a couple more minutes. Fun OCaml. And where am I at? Right here. I'll put it at 1.5 speed. I thought my mouth would hurt more than it does, Travi. Is that better? Buffy, my prompt is Starship. You'll find that in Home Manager. This feels pretty good. Thank you, Init Bob James. Appreciate you. Jason, I'm telling you, you're going to love OCaml. I promise you, you're going to love it. If you work at Jane Street, it'll make you rich. The starting pay for like a Jane Street intern is like $350K base salary. That should have been formidable, not Purcell. Sloth pipe, courtesy of Tech Savvy Travie. Hmm. How much more time does this have? Not very long. All right, we're gonna wrap up after this is over. That was my talk, y'all. I am going to raid Giacomo Cavaliere. He is a Gleam core contributor and an all-around excellent teacher and developer. So let's go hang out. We'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully my Postgres upgrade is completed on Supabase.